I can see you. Hi there, my name is Teacher Michael, and welcome to another craft tutorial. Today, we're gonna be making these. These are my gigantic cartoon eyeballs. I used to have a pair of googly eye glasses that I used all the time in my classroom, but unfortunately they broke. And instead of going out and just buying another pair, I decided I would take some time today and show you how you can make something like this. I use these all the time with my students, you know, to say, what do you see on the screen? Or I see you. This is something that I use every single day. So I'm gonna try and keep this brief. I'm not doing a great job so far. Let's just get into it. This is the cartoon eyeball tutorial. All right, here, are we ready? Are we ready? Are you ready? Are you paying attention? Is everybody watching? So let's talk about supplies that you're gonna need. Obviously, you're gonna need 2 styrofoam balls, and I found these at the dollar store. That's where I would start, but you can also find them at any craft store. You're also gonna need 2 googly eyes. Again, craft store or dollar store. I find these X-Acto knife blades really helpful. You'll see why in just a minute. You're also gonna need some black electrical tape, a hairband, and what am I missing? A glue gun. Step 1 basically is to take the 2 styrofoam balls and join them together. Okay, everything is rolling away here. You're gonna need to join these 2 balls together. So that's where the X-Acto knife comes in handy. Just gonna cut into it like that. And that's basically what you're trying to achieve, is just that flat surface so that it won't roll away. So now I've got 2 flat surfaces, and these can just get hot glued together. All right, we're just gonna jump to the glue cam for a second here. Okay, just smash a bit of glue on there and jam the other one together. Can you see that? Geez, I thought I was recording that clip. I missed, I didn't hit the record button, but what I did was flattened the front part of the circle so that the pupils, the googly eyes, would sit flush against the sphere. This is pretty rough. I'm sure you're gonna do a much better job than me. These googly eyes are a little bigger than, can you see the a reflection of the, okay, I'm getting distracted. Back to the craft room. All right, back to the craft room. Here we are. We are gonna put some black electrical tape on the back side of the eyeball. That's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna take me a few minutes, so this is a great time for a musical interlude. And why don't we put on some classical music? I don't usually do a classical music time-lapse, so let's do that. So this is what I was trying to achieve, really, was having just a little bit of an outline around the eyeball, just so that it shows up a little bit better on camera. And you can see that it's just on that side of the halfway point. And if I had more time, I would cover up the back, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Here's where your hair elastic comes in, just to fill in that little gap in the center. Apart from that, I didn't actually talk about pipe cleaners earlier, but you're gonna need some pipe cleaners, and that's just to make your eyebrows. As you can see, it doesn't take a ton of time, just enough time for the sun to like move from here to here in the video. I don't know if you noticed that. So the last finishing touch, and I'll show you here on the giant ones, is just to kind of trace, can you see that? Is just to trace around the top half of the eyeball. It just kind of helps it show up on camera a little bit better. So this is the final version. Again, this was a bit of a rush job, but I hope that just gives you a little bit of a seed, a little bit of an idea that you can adapt, manipulate, evolve, improve, hopefully. Let me know if you find any improvements, just comment down below. But again, these are the gigantic cartoon eyeballs. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more crafting videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And until the next time, I will see you. Wait a second, I missed an opportunity there. I will see you on the internet. Peace.